Today I'm going to show you how to do this ribbing effect that you see down here. I also have a tutorial on how to do the crossed triple stitch. If you're interested in that, I will link that video to the end of this one. But I wanted to teach you how to do this ribbing. You can do this. It works great for cuffs on clothing. It works great for hats or gloves or wrist warmers, just about anything that you want a ribbed effect on. And it's very simple to do. This is only using the double crochet stitch. So if you know how to do the double crochet stitch, you will be able to catch on to this very quickly. So I'm just going to pull out my yarn here and I'm going to stick my hook on these two loops, and I'm going to join this purple so that you can see this ribbing effect. So I'm going to chain 2. Now here, our chain 2 for this pattern does not count, but I want to show you these stitches. You can see these stitches on the top because they are a V, and we are going to go not into the front loop, but we're going to go into this back loop only of this stitch. And you can see these, if I pull them up, you can see clearly these back loops. This is the front loop, but we are only going to work in the back loop. So what we will do is we will yarn over, and this very first stitch, I'm going to go right into the back loop only. Do my double crochet stitch, yarn over, the next stitch, go into the back loop only. Again, just the back loop only, and then do a double crochet, yarn over, back loop only, and I'm going to do this all the way to the end of this row. Now you can do this ribbing effect with the single crochet, half double crochet, or treble crochet stitches. It doesn't matter. You just work in the back loop only. Then when we get to our last stitch, we will chain 2, turn our work. We're going to do the exact same thing. So this is our first stitch right here, and we're going to go into this back loop only. Make sure that you don't grab both the front and the back. We only want the back loop. And by working only in these back loops, it gives a very beautiful ribbed pattern. It is great for adding texture to hats, garments, scarves, just about anything that you want to add texture to. And as you can see, as I'm working here, you can already see the ribbed effect taking place because that front loop hangs out in front. And so as we keep going into the back loop, working up each round, so as we continue to work, you can see that this row is on the front and then this row is in the back. And as we continue to work and turn and go into the back loop only, it stacks these, creating a very nice ribbed effect. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. Until next time, happy crocheting!